So factors determining capital structure. So what all factors you determine the capital structure? So first one is the nature of business. So what business you are going to do? So whatever business you are going to do, you should always maintain a minimum debt to capital. So the debt should be as small as possible. So if the debt is going to increase gradually, then the financial stability of the company is going to be lost. And size of the company, whether you are going to start a small company or large company, small company will be relying more on your own money. Whereas if you are going to start a large company, you are going to buy money from somebody, right? So that investors have to be, you have to create faith in the investors and lend money for that. Purpose of financing productive, I told you productive is for all the machinery, all the manpower, that is productive is for purpose. Unproductive is for the employees welfare, which is going to be your burden on your head, because that is going to come under the expenditure for you. Trading on equity, if you are a public listed company, you can advertise your shares and you can sell the shares to public people, and every year you have to pay dividend on the amount of profit you make. You have to share with the people. Cash flow, so more cash flow, more will be the proportion of borrowed capital in the capital structure. So cash flow should be high to ensure that there is proper cash flow between the company. Okay, the cash flow should be high. Provision for future, that's what all money which you receive as profit should not be spent immediately. So you should always keep some money as a liquid cash, so that in case if any mishappenings occur in the nearby future, you should be using that for overcoming the losses. So these are the different factors which determine the capital structure. Okay, they determine the capital structure.